Looking for the best heat gun but overwhelmed by all the options? Stick around. We've ranked the top models from weakest to best, so you know exactly what to pick. Let's kick things off with the most compact option on our list, the ROMECH 157. It's a mini heat gun designed for delicate, small-scale work, and it lands at the bottom of our ranking. If you're crafting, heat shrinking, or doing any fine detail work, this little guy might seem like a good fit, but compared to the others here, it's definitely the least powerful. That said, it does have its perks. It heats up fast, it's incredibly lightweight, and the pencil-style grip makes it perfect for precision tasks. It even has built-in overload protection and includes a handy nozzle guard for safety, so it's not without merit, just very niche. Where it falls short is with power. The max temperature caps at 660 degrees, which is low compared to the rest. The airflow is also limited, making it a poor match for tasks like paint removal or large heat shrink jobs. If you're looking for versatility, this isn't your tool. Still, if you need something lightweight for quick detailed jobs or crafting, the ROMECH 157 is a budget-friendly choice. But for more demanding tasks, let's look at the next step up. By the way, links to all the products in this review at the best prices are right below this video. Check the description. Coming in next is the BLACK+DECKER HG1300, a classic corded heat gun with a simple design that gets the job done. It's a reliable, no-frills tool with just 2 temperature settings, but sometimes simplicity is all you need. This one is noticeably more powerful than the ROMECH. You've got 1,350 watts under the hood and airflow that's almost double. The built-in safety stand is a nice touch too, and at under 2 pounds, it's still easy to handle for most projects around the house. Where it starts to feel limited is in the control department. You only get 2 heat levels, no fine tuning here, and some users have found the lower setting pushes air too aggressively for light duty work. So while it's stronger than the ROMECH, it's not as adaptable as you might want. And if you're looking for a solid corded heat gun that won't break the bank, this one's a safe pick, great for home repairs or occasional use. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews. Moving up the ranks, we've got the DEWALT cordless heat gun. It's the first battery-powered model in our lineup, and it brings portability and convenience to the table, something the corded models can't offer. DEWALT gives you a good balance of power and efficiency. It reaches nearly 1,000 degrees, offers a decent airflow rate, and has a lock-on trigger so you don't need to keep pressing while you work. Plus, the built-in LED light is a smart touch when you're working in tight or dim spaces. The downsides? Airflow is on the weaker side, especially compared to the more powerful corded models, and although the runtime is great on low, the high setting can chew through battery life pretty quickly. It's not really cut out for intense jobs like large paint removal. But if you're working in tight areas, need cordless convenience, or already own other DEWALT tools, this one might be a perfect match. Let's take it up a notch now. Second from the top is the LIVOWALNY cordless model, and honestly, it's one of the most impressive battery-powered heat guns out there. With a max temp of over 1,200 degrees, it's got serious heat for a cordless. What really stands out here is the control. You get precise digital temperature and airflow settings on a crystal clear LCD. There's a memory mode, temp lock, and it heats up in just 2 or 3 seconds. Plus, it comes with 5 different nozzles, ready for anything from shrink wrap to plastic welding. The only thing holding it back is battery life. Unless you've got a high capacity battery, you're looking at 10 to 15 minutes of runtime on high. Also, no cool down mode means you'll want to be careful to avoid overheating the coil. But for those who want premium cordless performance with pro level features, this is a beast. If you're not tethered to an outlet, this tool gives you serious freedom. Let's wrap it up with our top choice. Taking the crown today is the Wagner HT1000, the most balanced and reliable heat gun on the list. It may not have a digital display or battery power, but what it does have is consistency, strength, and rock-solid build quality. This one is perfect for jobs that need real airflow. We're talking around 20 CFM. Whether it's stripping paint, thawing pipes, or sealing shrink wrap, this gun performs without skipping a beat. And for the price, it's a total bargain. The only real knock is its simplicity. You've got 2 heat settings and no advanced controls or nozzle kit included. But if you're okay with that, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better all-around option at this price point. For DIYers, homeowners, or even pros who need a dependable daily tool, the Wagner is the safest bet. You plug it in, flip the switch, and it just works. If you're ready to pick up one of these heat guns, all the links to the top-rated models are down in the description. Hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.